You are now watching Doorbell News.
This is what can happen when you leave your loved ones in the care of the wrong home health aide. A man who suffered a spinal injury and cannot walk shared this Wisecam footage of an aide who was supposed to be helping him, but is doing the exact opposite. He says she was upset because he didn't give her the Wi-Fi password fast enough.
I just asked you for the Wi-Fi so I can respond to my guy.
This video shows the importance of putting a security camera in the home of a loved one who may be in need of home care by an outside source. Let's see what happens.
You could give them a call. See you later, because I don't do no hard. You believe me. Yeah. See you. Have a good day. Have a good day, sir. Enough said. That goes to show your pettiness. You need to mature. That's why you're in a predicament you in now. Yeah, and I am too. I don't care how much money don't bring nobody. You can't buy nothing. God got me. God got me, but that's why you're in a predicament you in now. You bad. That's why you was almost in the two-toe. See ya. Argue with yourself, boo. Got me. Argue with yourself, boo. That's why you're in a predicament you in now. That's why you in a predicament you in the boo-boo. Dummy. How about you come by? You better be glad God saved you to be here.
What's future? Dummy. What's future?
That's what you done. Your mother. Man, the boo-boo. That's why your dick came with your heart.
That's why your mother dead. That's why your mother dead. That's why your father dead. That's why your brother dead.
And you is too, man. What you want to do? Your mother. Your mother. Your mother. Your mother. Your mother. Bitch. Yeah, now. Record that. Hello. Hello. Yeah. I don't put up with too much disrespect. Bitch. I don't put up with too much disrespect. You got the right fucking one. The right one. Yeah, time 35. Call the police and call the agency. Call the agency.
Sometimes I wonder why you made it. War, how you ate this fucking haters. Plus I know they were enslavers. He raised an angel on my grave. I saw him alive and but I looked around and I was strong to die. That's the reason why I prayed. My head back, tears in front of the
Yeah, call the fucking 911. You got the right fucking one. But you real fucking disrespect. Real disrespect. 34 years old? That's why your ass in the predicament you is now. Real shit. How about you want your shit? I just asked you for the Wi-Fi so I can respond to my guy. I've been working since I've been here. Ain't even take a piss. And then you want to keep getting smart? Then you want to keep getting smart? You want to keep getting smart? It don't matter. You said I can use it. That's why you end up predicting me. You in the boo-boo. The boo-boo. Dummy. How about you come by? You better be glad God saved you to be here.
What's future? Dummy. What's future?
Make sure you subscribe and like the video.